There is a new importing process for Recroom printing, and it is using the data tables. We'll be using a two-part invention that is currently for free, so the price will change later on. Now, in order to find the split file, you'll want to go into General, and you'll want to search up data table on the top right corner right there. Put data table and press enter, and then scroll down to all these old messages and just jump to this text right here. You'll then want to click on split file py and continue to download. It should open up your browser and download the split file. You'll then want to go into your downloads, drag and drop the split file into Recroom SharePrinter main, and it should be right there. Next step is making a new image data text file. So we're going to want to open up list create importing. Now you should just do the normal process that you would usually do when you're doing the list create importing process. So we're going to click on no, grab the image you're going to want to print, open it up, choose whether or not to tether it, and then you'll just want to press N and enter so you can close out of that page right there. You'll then want to double click on split file and you'll want to enter 400. Now this is what the creator said worked for them, so I'm just going to be using that, but I'm not sure, maybe you could do more or less depending on your print. So I'm just going to put 400 and enter. It should just close out of that, and it should give you an image data wanted text file. You'll then just want to open that up and just keep that opened up. You will then want to switch into Recroom. You'll then want to pull out your maker pen, and this should be your current setup. If you've been keeping up with the recent updates of Recroom printing, this is how it should look like. We're going to make some minor adjustments, so just click on the delete tool. You're going to want to delete replace the button, event receiver, delay, and list create data if you have that spawned in. We are then going to go into the store and search up table converter, get the invention, and spawn it through the store. You'll then want to click on this button right here and also get the tables container invention and spawn it through the store. It'll tell you that a room save is required, so you're going to want to save your room. Once the room is saved, you're going to want to pull out your maker pen, and you should have all of this right here. You're going to want to open up the maker pen and click on the connect tool. You'll then want to connect list to list of tables, list to list of table lengths, list of actual table index to list, load to load, start to start, and image data to image data input. Next step is to just set up the SharePrinter settings, so just modify these to your liking, to your print. Now I'm not sure if you need to set this to true or false, but I keep it at false and it worked perfectly fine for me. So I'll just tell you to switch it to false if you have it to true, or keep it to false if you already have it at false. Now the next step is open up your maker pen and click on the configure tool, and then click on data table 1, edit data table, click on this box right here with the arrow, and you're going to want to go back into your notes, select all of this text, copy, and then go back into Recroom, click on this empty field right here on this box, Control V to paste, and it should paste all of this, and you want to generate, and it should save your room again. Once the room is saved, open up your maker pen and click on configure and click on data table 1, edit data table, and as you can see, all of this should be there. All of your data should be imported, and that's pretty much it. So all of your data is ready to get printed into your shortboard. The next step, of course, is to import your custom colors if you're doing that, which I recommend you do so. And then once you're done importing your custom colors, set up the shortboard, and then once you set up the shortboard, you are ready to print. So just click on tools, circuits and debugging, and send test event, and boom, there we go. It should start any second now. There we go. Of course, I'm printing nothing right now, but trust me, it works. That is pretty much it. Now I would recommend you watch my previous videos and keep updated with that, just in case you're a bit confused on custom colors and all that stuff. That is pretty much it. Now I did just learn about this 2 hours ago. I was literally just notified about this, and I basically just got into it 2 hours ago and started learning about it. I just like read through the entire general, scrolled down and started reading and just learned like that. So I'm not 100% sure if this is exactly everything you need to know about this. Maybe there's some missing information that I haven't learned about yet. And if there is, then just feel free to ask in a general or image printing help about it. But for now, this is basically everything that I know how to do, all of my knowledge on the data tables and stuff. I'm sorry that this isn't like, I guess, full knowledge about this, but yeah, once I learn more or if new information comes out, then I'll definitely update this video. But for now, that is pretty much it. I'll see y'all next time.